Now, inevitably, as your website grows, you'll need to be able to add brand new pages. Let me show you how to do that. Let's go back to desktop, and in this Elementor menu bar, let's click the drop down, then click Add New Page. Let's save and leave. That's going to populate this new page, and if we click the gear here for page settings, we can change the title of this new page to Projects. We can see that the title up here is designated as a draft, so anytime that we want to make this page public, we can click Publish. Now, we could start with starter templates here, like we've done before, to add page or block templates, but we can also copy containers that we have from our other pages as another quick way to stand up a new page. Let's click Preview Changes to open up a preview, and we can go to a page that we'd like to copy a container from. So if we go to Services, let's just copy this top portion. Click Edit with Elementor here, then focus this container by clicking the container handle. I'll right-click to copy this. Now if we head back to our new projects page, right-click and paste to add that same section. And we'll edit this heading. We want this to say Projects, and let's publish again. If we click our preview, we can see that this top header is not transparent like on our other pages. To fix this, let's click Edit Page. I'll close this. We can then navigate to the Astra settings here, and then scroll down to Advanced Settings. Under Transparent Header, click Enabled. Close this window, then hit Save. Then if we view this page, we can see that the header is now fixed.